We have a scary but simple equation here. We are to solve for x. We have root 154x squared minus root 108x raised to the power 4 minus root 64x raised to the power 8 equal to 4. Here we have a square root being enclosed in another square root and both enclosed in another square root, everything equal to 4. We are to find the value of x. This question looks scary, but it is actually very simple. Just follow the steps that I'm about to take now. Okay, let us write down the question here. Now we have the question. Now we are going to simplify it step by step. We'll first simplify what is in this square root, after which we attend to the second square root and finally the third square root. So let us start by simplifying the square root of 64x raised to the power of 8. We have to first take the square root of 64 as well as the square root of x raised to the power 8. Now, the square root of 64 is 8 because 8 times 8 is 64. So we put down 8. Now, to get the square root of x raised to the power 8, this square root will form an inverse exponent to 8. So we have x raised to the power of 8 in brackets 1 over 2. This 1 over 2 represents this square root. So here we simply say 2 into 8 is 4. And what we have left is 8x raised to the power of what? 4. So we have simplified this square root to get what is here now. We are going to complete every other thing. We have 108x raised to the power 4 minus this. So we put the square roots over them. Alright, everything here equal to what? 4. So we are left with two square roots now. This is 1 and then the bigger one here. Now we are going to simplify what is in this square root now. We have 108x raised to the power 4 minus 8x raised to the power 4. These two are like terms. It's like saying x raised to the power 4 into 108 places, then minus 8 raised to the power 4 into 8 places. So when you subtract this from this, we are left with 100x raised to the power of what? 4. We will now include the other part, including the square root. And this is what we have. So we have subtracted this from this to get 100s raised to the power 4. So this is equal to 4. Now we are going to take the square root of this expression. First, the square root of 100 as well as the square root of x raised to the power what? 4. The square root of 100 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100, so we have 10. Square root of x raised to the power 4 will be this way. X raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Of course, this 1 over 2 represents the square root. Now, 2 into 4 gives us 2. So that we have left 10x squared. So we have simplified the square root of 100x raised to the power 4 to get 10x squared. So we add this other part now, 154x squared minus, then put the square root over it. So we have it this way, equal to 4. We're going to attend to this square root now. 154x squared minus 10x squared. When you subtract 10x squared from 154x squared, it will give us 144x squared. Of course, we put the square root over it, equal to what? 4. We will now find the square root of 144 as well as the square root of x raised to the power 2. The square root of 144 is 12 because 12 times 12 is 144. So we have what? 12. And the square root of s squared, of course, is s squared raised to the power of 1 over 2 equal to 4. Here, 2 we simply strike out 2 and we are left with 12 times s, which is 12x equal to 4. Now we divide both sides by 12 so that we have 12x all over 12 equal to 4 all over what? 12. 12 strikes 12 so that we have x equal to 4 here 1, 4 here 3. S equals to 1 over what? 3. And this becomes the final answer. Thank you very much for watching.